Okay guys, we are live. Time is 8:12 p.m. Eastern. Thanks everyone for joining in on the auctions that I ran. Thank you again everyone. Lots of cards moved this time. Picked up a bunch of things from everyone as well. The number of entries is 1,664 this time. So I'm just going to copy them all off. Bear with me, guys. It's a long list. Okay, there we go. Copy. Paste it into random. Scroll up. Okay, time again, 8:12 p.m. Eastern. We're going to go 3 times in the clubhouse. 1. As you can see right there. And 8:13 p.m. Eastern, second random. And 2 times. 8:13 p.m. Eastern, third and final random, guys. Good luck. Top 16 are going to win. So there we go. Listed randomized 3 times. Time, 8:13 p.m. Eastern. Top 16 are right here. Copy. The giveaways. Sorry guys, I have to make a spot here. Paste. So those are the winners there. Cut. Gonna put these in random as well. Random off the prizes. They're all in here. So let's just get that like that. And time, 8:14 p.m. Eastern, first random. 8:14, second random. Third and final random, guys, 8:14 p.m. Eastern. There we go, they're all jumbled up. Copy. Just gonna paste them here, guys. So here we go. We make that bigger for you guys so you could see it. Oh, too big. Sorry. There, let's bold it. Okay, guys. The Contenders Football Blaster, 2015 Contenders Football Blaster goes to Danny Gordon. The 2015 Prism Football Blaster goes to Craig Mackian. The Champs box is won by Nick Ventrone. The 2017 Chronicles Baseball Blaster, Marty. 2016-17 Studio Basketball box, Nick Ventrone. 2000 Millennium Signature Series pack, James Hammond. The 2015 WWE Road to WrestleMania Blaster, Kyle Exley. Star Wars Rogue One Mission Briefing box, Sean Noble. 2016 Absolute Retail box, 24-packer, goes to Scott Koslowski. The 2016 Absolute Football Blaster goes to Andrew Grajdek. The 2018, sorry, that should be NASCAR Victory Lane 4 hits, goes to James. The Dual Hill Autograph 8x10 goes to Michael Willis. The Ultra Blaster 2014-15 Hockey goes to James. The 15-16 Hockey S Series 1 Blaster goes to Eddie DiMaggio. 2016 Baseball Blaster goes to Andrew Grazdek. And the NASCAR Torque goes to Patrick Roble. So there you have it, guys. Looks like after looking at them, there's going to be a few that I'm going to have to break, guys. And unless you guys are willing to pay extra for the shipping. But most of them are probably going to have to be broken and sent out to you guys. So we are done. 8:16 p.m. Eastern. I will see what I can. I'm going to do some packing tonight and see if I can get them into your packages. If not, I will break them live on my page, and I'll send a request for you guys to join in my page, or I'll also copy the video over into the Clubhouse Exchange. Again, 8:17 p.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.